how to fix your PUBG Mobile graphics problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your device requirements. If you're on an Android, you need to have at least 5.1.1 or above, and RAM should be 2 GB or more, and storage should be 4 GB of free space. Always make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your application has any pending updates, you might be facing these problems. Simply update your game on time from App Store or Play Store. In your graphics setting, you want to simply go ahead and select the smooth graphics and extreme FPS, and also the style can be selected on your device for better visuals. Always check the in-game resolution, and if that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check if you have any resource packs installed. Make sure that if you have any resource pack installed, you want to simply make sure it is completely downloaded, and if it has missing textures or low graphics, definitely do not use it. If nothing works, try restarting the game and device, or even check your device temperature and wait for it to underheat, and then you want to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall if nothing works. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.